Welcome viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see an Excel program prepared with the help of macros. This program is useful for all those people who need to remember things in their daily life, whether office goers or not. Let's see what this program offers to practically each one of you. I have created 4 screens. This is screen 1, screen 2, say this, screen 2, screen 3, we are in screen 3, this is screen 3, and this is screen 4. In each of the screens, I have provided for 51 different matters. I call it matter 1, matter 2, matter 3. You can store data in this Excel file up to 204 different matters. For example, in screen 1, matter 1, you can write income tax matters. Okay, come to this place. Whatever you have written here, click on this arrow, the heading, this you will get the heading from the other page. So whatever you want to write here, you can write here. You can note down whatever important facts you need to remember, recollect, which are useful for you in future. You can write them, note them, jot them here in this page. So similarly, I have created building insurance here. See, so deadlines with regard to building insurance, property tax amounts and deadlines. There is a, suppose I have a case, a GST appeal is to be made, matter details of this particular matter. So whatever you want to create, whatever you write here will be visible here. So this way, if you go to sheet screen 2, if you want to maintain details of your company vehicles, you can make in your own style. Come back, secretarial compliances, you can keep them here. Change of registered office, you can keep it, the information here. Customer information, inventory levels, production schedule, etc., etc. Permits. You can see here one thing. See, this is in red color. All the other items are in black color. Here also, 2 items are in red color. Supposing here, if I feel that GST appeal is important for me, very important for me, where I have to devote my attention, then in this particular page, I'll go to K1, cell K1, and just put any alphabet or any number or anything here. So when K1 is not blank, then I will get the GST appeal in red color. See, come to this. Supposing I have something important here to be done, I want this company bank accounts should be shown in red color. Then what I will do is, I'll go to K1 and put something here. I won't leave it blank. Okay. When it is not blank, say it shows red color. So similarly, here, just see, it is shown, K1 is not blank, and hence this is shown in red color. Supposing I have finished the urgency here, I have finished the work here. Now there is no urgency, no need to be shown in red color. Then I will remove this. Now come back, see, it is no longer an urgency here. So this way, I have protected all the sheets, especially these 4 sheets, 1, 2, 3, 4. This screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4. All these 4 sheets are protected. If you click, I'm trying to right click on this. You can't do it because it is protected. So, but these are not protected. Whatever changes you want to do here, you can do here. Whatever you want to write here, you can write here. If you want to write insurance, you can write insurance. If it is very important, something is important, give it red color. Okay. So similarly, from here to here, the cells are unprotected. You can write anything. If you go to this place, you can't even select it because this is protected. All this, you can't select this because this is protected. This area is unprotected. Whatever you want to create here, ABCD, you can create here. See? Similarly, this way I have covered 204 worksheets plus these 4 worksheets. I have used 208 worksheets. Supposing if you want to note down details of the uh, court cases your company is going through. So this way, if I remove this, if I keep K1 as blank, then this is not right. If this case is, the hearing is very near, then I'll put some number or some word here so that it shows red color. There is urgency. It shows urgency. So you can maintain information like this. Who is the advocate in them? What is his mobile number, email? What is CNR number? CNR number is what you find in eCourts website in India, and amounts paid to advocate, the hearing date, what has happened on that particular date. You can, if you have more than, supposing you want to keep all these for cases, for court cases, then what you need to do is just copy from here, this area, copy it and paste it in all the sheets, because all the sheets are just blank. All these sheets are just blank. Okay. So this is how you can use it. You can use it. I have called this file, I have given it name called things to do, version 7.7. So this program, this Excel sheet will help you to remember certain important informations, like you need to remember, since income tax matter is already here, I'll call this as emails and mobile numbers. Emails and mobile numbers. So important emails, IDs and mobile numbers may be given here. This file will facilitate any of the office goer, or even if it is not an office goer, this will help you. So to buy this program, click on my website excelprograms.in. Visit excelprograms.in. So I have other programs also here. So thanks for watching my program. Kindly share and click on like, and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.